This is our heavy-duty pressure-sensitive embroidery frame. Accessories include 2 horizontal rods, top and bottom, 2 pressing rods, fittings for both ends of the middle horizontal rod, and side rods on the left and right. We also have 2 wrenches and some small accessories. We can arrange them like this. There are 2 important points to note. 1. The fittings on both ends of the top and bottom fabric rolling rods are different. One end has a protruding hexagon, which is for attaching the wrench. This corresponds to the wrench side. 2. The other end is for fixing. It does not have the protruding hexagon and only needs a washer. Step 1. Install the wrench. Insert the black part of the wrench onto the protruding part of the horizontal rod. Then, place 2 metal washers together and insert them. This side is the same. Attach the wrench first, then 2 washers. Then take the middle rod and attach the fittings to both ends. Next, install the side rods, aligning them with the holes. Insert both the top and bottom rods into the holes. Open the middle rod fitting and align it with the slot on the side rod. This side does not need a wrench. Just attach 2 metal washers and insert them into the fitting. Repeat with the other rod, aligning the side rod with the 2 holes. After aligning, push the 2 side rods slightly toward the center. Ensure the fittings on both sides are properly aligned. Then, use the wrench to tighten the screws on both ends of the middle rod. Next, install the threaded rod. The threaded rod is used to secure the top and bottom wrenches. Insert the long end through the hole and tighten the small nut. You can tighten it by hand. Same process here. For the final nut, wait until the canvas is installed before attaching it. Now we can install the canvas. Do not place it in the slot that contains fittings. It will be hard to remove later. You can use any of the other 3 slots. Fold the fabric edge by 2 to 3 centimeters, depending on the length of the fabric edge. After folding, you can use the wrench to press the crease so it fits the rod groove better. Once pressed, place the prepared fabric edge into the groove. Make sure it is centered. Use the wrench again to press the fabric. Then, install the fabric pressing rod. Insert the pointed end of the pressing rod from one side to the other, pressing down the fabric. Rotate while pushing it forward. That completes one side. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Make sure the top and bottom edges are aligned.
Now we start rolling the fabric. You can roll inward or outward according to your preference. Adjust the wrench switch. For inward rolling, push the wrench downward. Then you can roll inward.
First, secure the top wrench. Lift the bottom wrench, press down, lift, and press again to secure and tighten. Finally, install the nuts on all 4 corners. Do not over-tighten. Check if the fabric is straight and centered. The installation is now complete.